Michigan VOC regulations changed back in 2023. Now, if you largely use water-based products, that probably hasn't affected you all that much, this big change. But there is a specialty product out there that's really been hit pretty hard. And what I'm talking about are stain-blocking primers. Now, these are specialty primers that will seal in water stains, nicotine stains, smoke stains, tannin stains in wood, and much more. Priming over these problem areas with a stain-blocking primer will seal that stain in place so you can go over top of it with a water-based paint. If you don't block them in or seal them in, these stains are going to bleed right through your finish pretty much over and over again. With stricter VOC regulations in place in Michigan, there have been big changes made to these stain-blocking primers. They've had to be reformulated, and now products like Zinsser's Cover Stain, which was a go-to product for many contractors out there, it's no longer easy to work with, and it's much more expensive to buy. And unfortunately, water-based stain blockers just don't get the job done like the solvent-based versions do. Fortunately, we've got an answer to all of this, RepcoLite Zip Prime, and I'm going to get you the scoop on it tomorrow. But if you need the scoop today, because you've got a stain emergency that you've got to deal with, just head to any RepcoLite and ask about it.